Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Star. I'm back with another video. Y'all know what it is. Y'all already know. I'm staying consistent. I'm sorry I missed that upload the other day. You know what I'm saying? But I got y'all with that double upload. Y'all let me know if y'all been fucking with the videos. Give me the honest truth. Like, let me know what y'all think and let me know what I could do better. But today I'm doing a little mukbang. You feel me? I got some Dave's hot chicken. Y'all know what it is. I low-key been craving this all day. Not gonna lie. So I got 2 sliders hot. Damn. They got the Dave sauce on there and shit. Fries looking crispy. Okay. But I posted on my Instagram. Alright, let me get some paper towels real quick. But nah, so I posted on my Instagram like mukbang questions and shit. So just a little Q&A shit. So y'all send me the questions and shit. I appreciate everyone who sent me questions, everybody who be supporting my videos. I really fuck with y'all, love y'all for real. But I'm gonna just eat this. I'm gonna answer some questions and shit. Fries low-key bustin'. Dave's always do it right. They be getting niggas right for real. That shit expensive though. Yo, I forgot my bev, y'all. I'm tripping. Got that alkaline water. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I've been being pretty consistent with y'all, giving y'all videos every day. I'm gonna still get the 31 vlogs in. That shit was harder than I thought, but I knew I could do it, and I could do it for real. I got a lot of good videos coming for y'all soon, for real. I'm not gonna lie. Tomorrow's video finna be crazy. Tomorrow's video gonna be crazy. They throwing mad pickles in here for what, yeah. Y'all let me know in the comments. Do y'all really just be macking the pickles like with the sandwich? Like the sandwich come with pickles, you feel me? So like whole time you eating the sandwich, you already got some pickles in there. But like niggas just be grabbing pickles, taking bites and shit. Nah, that's too much. I don't know why they throw mad pickles in here and shit, but that should look amazing. Not gonna lie. I'm excited to try this shit. Low-key been a minute since I got some Daves. I always get hot, but that should be mad spicy, honestly. But this is my first one-on-one video with y'all. You know what I'm saying? All my videos for real was like with other people. You feel me? But y'all let me know if y'all fuck with the one-on-one videos. I'm gonna be giving y'all more of them. My friends is mad funny, you feel me? So I'm always out with them recording and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all let me know if y'all want more of these one-on-one videos. Just me and y'all. Nah, that shit crazy. They tried to kill Donald Trump today. You would think like if someone finna assassinate Trump, they would be like more accurate. You know what I'm saying? They skimming bullets, like bullets skim his ear and his neck. I guess. Yeah, I feel like if someone finna go for that, they'd be like more accurate. You know what I'm saying? But have the plan more calculated. You know what I'm saying? But that was crazy though. They be sending honey with the Dave's hot chicken and shit. Y'all let me know if y'all eat y'all shit with honey. I honestly never tried it with the honey, but this gonna be my first time right now. Try to see how it is. Damn. I look keep a hella honey. That should look good though. Damn. That should smack him. They's going crazy for him. But like I said, tomorrow's video gonna be crazy. Low key, I'm shooting this video with Blade. Yeah, tonight y'all gonna see. Blake about to pull up on me in the lab. I was just macking. I forgot I gotta answer questions. So first, first question I got is, do you see yourself being big in the YouTube industry in a year or two? Of course, you feel me? Like, I for surely see myself being big. Like, I know what I could do, you know what I'm saying? Like, I could really do whatever I want to put my mind to. You feel me? So it's like, this what I want to put my grind and my focus to. So this what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna be successful with it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not messing around. So I'm gonna just stay consistent, put in that work, and I'm gonna really make it. I definitely see myself making it within the next year or two, for sure. And I know I'm doing this 31 days uploading every day, but after the 31 days, I'm not gonna stop uploading. Like, I'm gonna still stay hella consistent with y'all. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to start off strong and really show y'all who I am and what I could do. You know what I'm saying? The next question is, are you actually celibate? As of right now, yeah, I'm celibate. You feel me? Nigga don't be doing none of that. Nigga just be locked in, focus on my grind for real. Like, to really lock in and get what you want, you have to go through discipline. You feel me? There's gonna be a lot of temptation. trying to get you to, you feel me, trying to distract you, you know what I'm saying? And you can't fall in, you can't give in to that temptation, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, if you for real, like, want to lock in and focus up, then you gotta let go of certain, like, habits and certain pleasures, you know what I'm saying? And when you're giving up certain distractions, you gotta replace them with, like, good habits, you know what I'm saying? So, like, the gym, your passion, what you want to do. You feel me? For me, posting every day, YouTube. You know what I'm saying? And you just really gotta let go of those. Oh shit, they sent me another honey pack. But just let go of those pleasures and distractions. You know what I'm saying? This shit really hit. Like, damn. But yeah, I've been had so much to do, so much to focus on lately that I've been struggling to post every day. You know what I'm saying? But I still been staying on top of my shit, and I'm not gonna fumble or lose consistency or nothing. I got y'all. All right. So next question: what is your greatest fear in life? I'd say my greatest fear in life is probably losing people, like losing people that's close to me. You know what I'm saying? I'm a really caring person. You feel me? So um, it's hard for me to like let go of people type shit. You feel me? I'm really scared of like animals or like bugs or nothing like that. Mm, I'm scared of scorpions for sure though. I never been stung by one, but I just heard that shit hurt like a bitch. You feel me? So yeah, scorpions kind of scare me a little, but yeah, I feel like my greatest fear in life for sure just losing people. Damn, damn. Look at that shit, y'all. Yeah. Why that chicken looking so sexy, y'all?
Oh!
Why it look like that? Another question y'all asked, how do you stay motivated through hard times? Honestly, through hard times, like, I just really try to focus on the positive things. You feel me? Like, even if everything go wrong and like, you feel me? There's nothing really positive to look at. I always just think like, what can I do to make this situation better? What can I do to make this a positive situation? Like, but yeah, I always think like, what can I do to turn this around? I never like sit and worry about like the tough times, the hard times, nothing like that. Like I'm like, how do I make it better? How do I fix it? You feel me? I feel like just really trying to build the best life, the happiest life that I want. I don't got time to be depressed. Like I don't got time to sit in my bed and think like, damn, shit's going so bad, shit's so tough for me. Like, nah, I just gotta focus in, put all my time into my craft. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's really how I feel. That's really how I get through hard times. Just focus on the positive. Just focus on what I could do to make shit better. Feel me? If you're just thinking about the bad shit that's going on in your life, you're just gonna keep thinking about it. You know what I'm saying? And you're just gonna keep thinking about it. Nobody's just gonna, you feel me? Like, unless you mad lucky, nobody's gonna come and just make everything better. You know what I'm saying? You just gonna keep thinking about it, and it's just gonna keep repeating, and that's the cycle of being depressed. You know what I'm saying? But if you put all your grind and focus into something to change that, to change those hard times, that shit you going through, you gonna get an outcome. You feel me? And feel me, you're probably gonna be really happy with that outcome for real. Cause if you put your work into it, that should always be worth it. And I ain't saying I don't be getting sad. Like, I definitely be getting sad, sometimes, and I be getting caught in my thoughts. But I just try my best to lock in and you know what I'm saying? Like, have a positive outlook. All right, this is the last question. We gonna end it off juicy because I know y'all was trying to hear this one. But no, I'm glad y'all asked this, bro. One of y'all said, "Do you want to date your crush in the future?" And y'all, if y'all don't know who my crush is, like, just watch my previous videos. You know what I'm saying? Watch the previous videos. But honestly, like, yeah, I really do like her a lot. I fuck with her a lot. You know what I'm saying? And I really do want to date her in the future. You feel me? I'm not ready now. There's a lot of stuff I gotta focus on. You feel me? And there's a lot of stuff we gotta focus on and lock in. And I feel like both of us really aren't ready for a relationship at this age. You feel me? I'm so young. I know that for sure. But like, I know God doesn't just put people in your life for no reason. You know what I'm saying? So there has to be a reason I met her and we so close now and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? So we'll for sure see. I definitely do want to date her in the future though. Shit. Just that last bite. Get some honey on there.
Oh!
Alright, y'all. Oh, shit. That's going to conclude this video. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate everybody who watched the whole video. I really fuck with y'all. I appreciate y'all for being, for just being so supportive of me. Like, I appreciate everybody close to me and all the viewers. Just everybody who really support my content, be posting my shit, watching every video, liking my shit. All y'all that subscribes. Thanks so much. It means the world to me. Y'all supporting me while I'm still so small. You know what I'm saying? So there's only one way we gonna make it to the top. You know what I'm saying? that consistency. I'm gonna stay on that. I got y'all. Shout out to y'all for watching the whole video. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all already know what it is. I'm gonna catch y'all next time.